Welcome to the ADAS Platform channel. In this video, we will review the functionality of the order flow indicator, which displays the flow of orders directly on the chart. The order flow indicator makes it easy to monitor market orders of different sizes and quickly respond to changes, which is particularly beneficial for traders working with shorter time frames. To install the order flow indicator on the chart of your chosen instrument, go to the Indicators section in the toolbar. You can also open the Indicator Manager window from the context menu or by pressing the shortcut key combination Ctrl+I. In the window that opens, find and select the indicator in the Order Flow section. Click Add and then OK. By default, this indicator is represented as red and blue dots and circles, along with a connecting line between them. Dots indicate small trades. Circles represent large trades. The number inside the circle shows the size of the completed trades, and the diameter of the circle is proportional to the trade volume. You can change this display type in the indicator settings. Let's take a closer look at these settings. The indicator settings are divided into 4 sections: Settings, Visualization, Location, and Alerts. Let's go through them step by step. The first section, General Settings. Visual Mode. Here, you can choose the appearance of the indicator. Trades, cumulative or separate. The cumulative trades mode combines trades that may have been split by the exchange into several smaller trades. In this mode, circles will appear more frequently, while dots will be less common. Filter. This setting allows you to specify the volume threshold above which circles will appear, and below which dots will be displayed. The Combine Small Trades checkbox can reduce the number of dots on the order flow indicator, making the chart cleaner. The Show Small Trades checkbox can completely remove small dots from the chart. The second section, Visualization. Here you can adjust the background and size of circles. Font settings, including its color and size. Display parameters for the connecting line. There is also a checkbox to hide the overlay of the indicator on candlesticks. The spacing parameter defines the distance between trades in the order flow. By default, this value is set to 8. For better visualization on more liquid instruments, you can decrease the spacing value. For less liquid instruments, you can increase it. The indication speed interval controls the speed of the order flow on the chart. By default, it is set to 300. This means that during periods without trades, the order flow curve will pause for a maximum of 300 milliseconds before new trades appear. In simple terms, the higher this parameter's value, the slower the indicator will move to the left. The third section, Location. Here you can adjust the horizontal position of the indicator on the chart. The Link to Bar checkbox determines the starting point for the indicator's display, either the right edge of the chart or the last visible candlestick. Offset. This is an additional distance by which the indicator is shifted from the chosen starting point. The fourth section, Alerts. These are sound notifications. In the order flow indicator, alerts will trigger when a trade exceeds the volume specified in the filter. The Use Alerts checkbox activates sound notifications. The alert filter parameter sets the volume threshold above which the alert will trigger. You can also specify a sound file in the root directory and the background color in the alert window. We hope this video was helpful. Try out the order flow indicator by downloading the ADAS platform for free. Thank you for watching.